Today's health segment, we take a look at respiratory infections that affect children. While early detection is important in these cases, maintaining proper hygiene is the best way to prevent these infections.
Respiratory infections are quite common in children during monsoon. It is important to identify the warning signs in case the child is suffering from respiratory infection.
With the change in season and rains, we get a lot of sicknesses in children, particularly which are respiratory, which are due to cough and other respiratory symptoms. Often it is difficult for the family and the mother to know whether this is common cold or cough, for which they don't have to worry and possibly not use much medications, versus something which may be more sinister or dangerous. If your child is finding it difficult to feed, if he is breathing too hard, if he is breathing with the noise, if he is breathing and there are some recession in the chest, then possibly you are dealing with a situation which is not common cold, which could be either a pneumonia or an attack of asthma, and this is where you need to talk to a doctor who will make this distinction and give appropriate treatment.
Do not ignore the warning signs in the child and take proper treatment to avoid complications.
Do not try to treat every cough at home. Most coughs do not need antibiotics. The spread of this disease of all infectious respiratory illnesses is through coughing and sneezing and shaking hands which are contaminated. So give this habit to your child where they remember to cover their face with a cloth or a handkerchief when they cough or sneeze, and they frequently wash their hands so that they are not able to spread this disease to others. Refrain from sending your child to the school when he is sick or when he is having cough and cold, because then they can spread it to other children, thus giving increase to spread of this infection in our community.
Taking precautions and practicing proper hygiene may help to prevent respiratory infections in children. Kiran Bhardwaj, DD News.